Permanent Secretary of Fisheries, our ministries, enforcement agencies, all to our second national inshore fisheries.
There's been a lot of progress in terms of
Principal Fisheries of
the Environmental Law Association, local NGO.
Southern Division, that is from the Fiji Police Force.
Bulavinaka, and good morning to you all. It is with great pleasure that I'm here today to open the National Fisheries Enforcement Forum. As Minister of Fisheries, I also understand the importance of our compliance and enforcement activities and having the adequate resources to support this in ensuring the sustainable management of our fisheries resources. Ensuring compliance with fisheries laws and regulations is not an easy task for Fiji. We have a large EEZ and thousands of kilometers of coastal areas that spread over a wide geographic area. We started the conversation at the first forum in 2017, and this is our second Fisheries Enforcement Forum, and is an important step in our continued improvement. I remember the first Fisheries Enforcement Forum that I attended was my first official engagement, and it was the NGOs and our partners that had asked me to ban beach dimmer at that first forum. The government recognizes the importance of our fisheries resources to all Fijians. We also recognize our ever-increasing pressure that is being enforced on the resources in our ocean. This government is committed to turning this around and protecting these resources for the current and future generations of Fiji. But this is more than just a statement. We have demonstrated a commitment to ensure better management of these important resources. We have implemented strong and effective management measures for key inshore fisheries species. We are now reassessing our current management measures, such as size limits, to ensure that these size limits are achieving the sustainable stock level that we need to ensure food security for all Fijians. At the first forum, there was a robust discussion about challenges that our compliance and enforcement officers faced in inshore fisheries. This second forum looks to build at the conversation started at the first forum and to look at the opportunities to build on the progress that has been made since this time. This is an opportune time for the forum to meet, as the ministry has completed the recruitment of additional dedicated inshore fisheries compliance officers. I know in 2019 we can see clear progress in the ministry's delivery of compliance services and a closing of the gap between inshore fisheries and offshore. Fisheries compliance and enforcement is not an easy task, and there are many moving parts in any effective compliance regime. Lastly, I would like to acknowledge all collaborative partners in facilitating this enforcement forum support of Wildlife Conservation Society and funding from David Lucille and Packet Foundation. With those words, I now declare the 2019 National Fisheries Enforcement Forum open. Vinaka Wakalevu, thank you, and God bless us all.
As well in terms of offshore and inshore.
We should not be comfortable with the status of our fisheries. It is in critical condition now. I think we as Fijians believe that we have a lot of fisheries resources. Unfortunately, when we became an independent ministry in 2017, the first thing after our review, we basically found out that we are in distress. Coastal fisheries in distress. Whatever your deliberations, and I won't be here for the whole 2 days, but whatever your deliberations when you participate in the next 2 days, I ask you that you must consider the sustainability of coastal fisheries for the benefit of future generations. We have over-harvested, but I cannot singularly say that it is man-made, but also the various factors as climate change and the various aspects of the change in climatic conditions in the world has also contributed. But we humans are the main contributor to the status of our fisheries now. Fisheries has to do a catch-up game in trying to initiate some actions now to try and relieve the pressure on our reef system. Fisheries knows if there is a lack of fish in the market, there is a delay in the running of the ferries from Nambawalu to Natobi. Let's not joke about it. That means we are getting all our fish from Koroilavesau. Full stop. If the ferry is delayed, the Bailey Bridge at Lodala Bay won't be selling fish that morning. That's just the fact. So, as important stakeholders in fisheries, we need to do something about it. Time is now. Either we do it for the benefit of the people that will come after us, or we will be blamed for the generation that ate it all. Vinaka.